You are now watching another A&A production.
Which one do you like more, lawn care or mobile detailing? This is the question that is often asked by my subscribers, and without any hesitation, my answer is lawn care. Reason being is that through lawn care, I was able to organize and create the A&A you guys know today. Before starting A&A, I was already highly skilled in lawn care. So that's the route I took. It definitely kept the lights on until I figured everything out. I think that when you're creating anything, you definitely need something that pays the bills so that you can create in a calm state. During the creation stage, opportunities presented themselves. Most of the time it was customers and clients asking me about services that I didn't provide at the time. Lawn care is my favorite because I'm good at it. But at the end of the day, I'm an entrepreneur and I wasn't afraid to follow the business.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support.
Hey, now I'm sitting at home and I'm actually just working on a video. I'm actually working on the video that you will be watching like right now. You'll be watching it now when I put it out. Yeah, right. I gave my first business consultation yesterday. And oh yeah, if you guys want to get a business consultation from me, feel free to email me. I'll put my email address on the screen, probably here, over here somewhere. And I'll also have it in the description so you guys can contact me. It's going to be $25 for 15 minutes, and I can answer questions like how to get started, what do I need to get started, how to get customers and clients, how to advertise, stuff like that. I think that'll be dope for you guys if you need any advice. If not, just keep rocking out. Just keep watching the videos. Any way that you can support, I'll appreciate it. Oh yeah, before I forget, me and Sporters are working on a new podcast. It's going to be called Money Mindset, the Detailers Podcast. That podcast will be exclusively to the New Wave members on Facebook. If you want to see those videos and you're not a New Wave member on Facebook, go join today. Feel free to go over there and join. We got a lot of good stuff going on over there. Shouts out to the New Wave.
I must say, I love business. I'm addicted to it. Lawn care has brought about many opportunities for my company, and since starting A&A, I've had the pleasure of offering a variety of services like pressure washing, detailing, pine straw install, and so much more. I never thought I'd be cleaning the interior of a big rig or semi-truck, as some of us like to call it. I must definitely say I followed the business. Can't wait to see where else A&A takes me. It's amazing on how I started this with just a push mower, handheld blower, and a weed eater. All store-bought for the use of my own lawn. I love it. I started this with a little to no investment and a basic idea. I'm also able to be creative with YouTube videos that showcases my services and inspires future business owners and shares my experience in my day-to-day. It's funny how this thing spawned out. I've also been able to link up with like-minded individuals and build. Again, be out on the lookout for the Money Mindset Detailing Podcast with Sporties and myself, A&A. Shouts out to the new wave. Let's rock out. Peace.
And watch these 2 great videos right here. Like a man.